Hey everybody, Joe here, and today we've got a guide showing you how to connect one of our cameras to one of our NVRs that features onboard POE. With this particular setup, again, if you're using a brand new camera that's from us and an NVR that's also from us, this is a relatively plug-and-play configuration that should net you a connection very quickly. There are a few things you're going to need to know, some tips and tools you'll need to get started, so let's take a look at that, and then we'll get right into it. You're going to either need a local monitor attached to your recorder along with a mouse, and/or a Windows PC confirmed having the ability to access that recorder via the network using Internet Explorer. In fact, this is what we're using in the video. However, the process and appearance are the same either way. You're going to need a new camera from us that has not yet been initialized. This guide is not for third-party cameras, whose compatibility over onboard POE will be limited and definitely not guaranteed. They may work with some advanced configuration, but you'll need to consult your third-party camera's manufacturer to see if it features OnViv and what settings to be manually input into the recorder. With our cameras, you won't have to worry about this. You'll need an Ethernet cable for testing the connectivity of the camera before mounting. We always recommend that you test a camera's functionality and connectivity to the recorder on a shorter run before mounting to avoid headaches. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, ensure your POE NVR is on, and you've already ran through the introductory setup, username, password. If not, finish all of that and return to the guide. Next, remove your camera from its packaging and set it aside. If you have more than one camera to set up today, it is up to you if you want to remove them all from the packaging now. This process entails connecting one camera at a time, not all of them at once, and it may be easier to keep things organized and clear if the cameras that haven't been used yet are left in their boxes. Next, connect the camera you want to use into channel 1 into port 1 via the Ethernet cable connected into the camera's Ethernet port and into port 1 on the back of the POE NVR. Note again that we are only connecting the one camera for now. Give the system up to 3 minutes to power on the camera, recognize it, and assign it an internal IP address and register it. All of those processes should occur automatically when using our cameras with one of our POE NVRs. When this is completed, you should see it pop up on the live view. At this time, if you wanted a second camera, leave the first one connected and add the second. Repeat this process as needed until all your cameras are connected. That's all there is to it. Thanks for joining us again today as we showed you how to connect a brand new camera to one of our POE NVRs and get that set up and working. For any questions on connectivity, compatibility, availability, or any other tech support questions you might have getting this process set up, give our sales pros or tech support a call at 561-288-5258. Until next time, stay safe.